Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video I want to show you how to set custom ringtone from music file on this device. So for this method you need to have the audio file already downloaded into your phone's internal storage. So on your phone, first of all, let's open settings and let's scroll to sounds and vibrations section. Now we want to tap on ringtone, and now let's tap plus in the top right corner of your screen. Let's tap allow right here and you will see the sound picker on your screen, and you can now select the song that you want to use by simply tapping on it. It will preview, it will start playing, and now let's tap done button in the top right corner of your screen to save it as your ringtone. So that is basically how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.